Ready, set, bake. This Wilton pizza pan 2-piece set is great to have on hand when you have a hungry crowd to feed. Durability. These Wilton round pizza pans are made up of durable steel that bakes pizzas evenly and prevents warping. Non-stick. Durable premium non-stick coating on our Wilton pizza pans allows your pizza to slide or pop out easily, making cleanup almost effortless. Non-stick bakeware sets are a must-have for busy cooks. Care instructions. Dishwasher safe. However, for best results, wash these Wilton pizza pans in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. This set features 2 pizza pans that are great to have on hand when you have a hungry crowd to feed. Recipe right non-stick pizza pans allow for easy food release and quick cleanup. Top reviews from the United States. Thick enough to be sturdy, thin enough to crisp crust, non-stick holding up well. I'm normally not a big fan of non-stick cookware, but for pizza it's helpful and these pans are holding up well for me. They are not quite as good at crisping the crust as my aluminum pans, but they do a pretty good job if I put them on the bottom shelf and they are much easier to clean. Most days they just need to be sponged off lightly and dried. I don't put them in the dishwasher or use a heavy scrubber on them, but I've cooked dozens of pizzas in them and they are still smooth and rarely stick. The few times they have stuck it has clearly been my fault with sauce leaking through the crust where I made it too thin or tore it. Get a thinner, or aluminum, pan if you want a really crisp crust, but these are excellent for all but the crispiest.